Hello student, good morning all of you. Today I am explaining reactions in organic synthesis, reaction number 2, Wittig reaction. First I am telling you statement of the Wittig reaction. Here aldehydes and ketones on treatment with ethereal solution of Wittig reagent form substituted alkene. This is called Wittig reaction. Aldehyde RCHO, ketone RCOR. This aldehyde ketone on treatment with ethereal solution of Wittig reagent to form a substituted alkene. This is called as the Wittig reaction. This is the statement of Wittig reaction. Means C double bond O group converted to the C double bond CH2. Then I am showing the reaction here. General reaction. For example, benzophenone. Here two phenyl ring and C double bond O group. This structure is known as the benzophenone. This benzophenone react with Wittig reagent. Wittig reagent PH3 P double bond CH2. This Wittig reagent is also called as the phosphorane or phosphorus ylide. You remember these three words. Wittig reagent is nothing but PH3P double bond CH2. It is also called as the phosphorane, PHOS or phosphorus ylide. In solution ether to form 1,1-diphenyl ethene. Ethene CH2 double bond CH2 is called as the ethene. In case of the ethene, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two phenyl rings and attached at carbon atom number 1. Therefore 1,1-diphenyl ethene. This is the product of a Wittig reaction. Here C double bond O in case of benzophenone is converted to the only C double bond CH2 when reaction with benzophenone react with Wittig reagent in ether solution, formation of a 1,1-diphenyl ethene. Then after general reaction, here phosphorus ylide also react with ketones, isocyanates, nitroso, imino compounds. Wittig reagent is nothing but alkylidine or aryllidine triphenyl phosphorane, simply called as the phosphorane or phosphorus ylide, and it is prepared by treating trialkyl or triaryl phosphine with an alkyl halide in ether solution. The phosphorium salt form is treated with strong base like C6H5Li or sodamide NaNH2 or sodium hydride NaH to give a phosphorus ylide. Then first we see the mechanism. Here the phosphorus ylide may be considered as resonance hybrid of two structures. I am showing here resonance hybrid of Wittig reagent PH3P positive charge, CH2 negative charge. Here resonating form of this Wittig reagent is the PH3P double bond CH2. These are the two resonating structures of a Wittig reagent or phosphorus ylide or phosphorane. Then step here carbanion, that is CH2 minus, carbon carries negative charge is called as the carbanion. Therefore carbanium CH2 minus can be considered as stabilized by adjacent positively charged phosphorus containing substituent. This nature is responsible for Wittig reaction and it occurs in a following steps. Here nucleophilic attack on carbonyl carbon of aldehyde or ketone by ylide, phosphorus ylide, to give a betaine intermediate. Here name of the intermediate in Wittig reaction is the betaine intermediate. You remember that word betaine, BETAINE, betaine intermediate, because many times for MCQ type question this Wittig reaction form dash dash type of intermediate. Here answer of this question is the betaine intermediate. Therefore, nucleophilic attack on carbonyl carbon of aldehyde or ketone by elite to give a betaine intermediate. I am showing the reaction here. PH3P positive charge, CH2 negative charge. Here carbonic compound. I am showing general reaction R dash C11O. Here carbanion electron pair attached to formation of carbon carbon single bond. Therefore, here C11O oxygen electron pair shifted towards oxygen atom. Therefore, oxygen carries a negative charge. Therefore, structure becomes betaine intermediate PH3P plus CH2 C R dash O negative charge. This is the betaine intermediate. Then betaine intermediate, here oxygen electron pair on oxygen utilized to formation of PO bond. Here PH3 P CH2 COR dash. This is the oxophosphetane, formation of a oxaphosphetane after cyclization of betaine intermediate, formation of a oxaphosphetane. This is the step second. Then here oxaphosphetane, again here PH3P, this bond is break and this electron pair attached to the C double bond C. Therefore, structure becomes, I am showing here bond breaking, CO again bond break and this electron pair goes to formation of PH3P double bond O. Therefore, oxaphosphetane converted to the alkene, that is R dash C double bond CH2 plus PH3P double bond O. Here PH3P double bond O, name of this PH3P double bond O is the triphenyl phosphine oxide. It is also called as a short form TPO. T stands for triphenyl, P stands for phosphine and O stands for oxide. Therefore, triphenyl phosphine oxide is nothing but the PH3P double bond O. Here C double bond O is group converted to the C double bond CH2, that is the alkene. The net result is replacement of here carbonyl oxygen, that is C double bond O, by ylene groups, that is double bond CR dash. In case of aldehyde and ketone, C double bond O group is converted to the C double bond CH2. Then this reaction having many synthetic application. Then some interesting examples I am given here below. Therefore, first application, formation of hexocyclic methylene group. Hexo means out of a ring. Therefore, I am showing here cyclohexanone. Cyclohexane ring containing C double bond O. Therefore, name of this compound is the cyclohexanone. Then cyclohexanone react with Wittig reagent or phosphorane or phosphorylide, that is PH3P double bond CH2 in case ether, formation of here methylene cyclohexane. Here circle in benzene ring is not. Therefore, cyclohexane double bond CH2 methylene cyclohexane, formation of a methylene cyclohexane. Therefore, C double bond O group is converted to the C double bond CH2 plus PH3P double bond O is the formation of triphenyl phosphine oxide. This is the first application of Wittig reaction. Then second application, synthesis of vinyl halide. Here benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde means benzene ring converted, benzene ring attached to the aldehyde group. Therefore, name of the structure is the benzaldehyde. Then benzaldehyde again react with here vinyl halide PH3P plus CH negative charge Cl. This is the chloromethylene triphenyl phosphorine. Name of this compound is the chloromethylene triphenyl PH3 therefore triphenyl phosphorane. Then benzaldehyde react with chloromethylene triphenyl phosphorane. Here formation of stearyl chloride. Here CHO aldehyde is converted to the CH double bond CH Cl. Therefore, Wittig reagent Wittig reaction is used for vinyl halide. Then I am showing here next example. Cyclohexanone again react with chloromethylene triphenyl phosphorane PS3P plus CH negative charge Cl in presence of ether. Formation of chloromethylene cyclohexane. Here double bond CHCl. C double bond O is converted to double bond CHCl. Name of this compound is the chloromethylene cyclohexane. This is the second application of Wittig reaction. Then third application, it can be used to synthesize some natural products. And last application in the Wittig reaction, it is used to preparation of alpha beta unsaturated acids. Therefore, for this I am showing the reaction. Benzophenone react with Wittig reagent PH3P CH CH2CO minus. Then by releasing triphenyl phosphine oxide, therefore minus TPO. Here conversion C double one O group is converted to the CH CH2 COO minus. Here name of this compound is the 4,4 diphenyl 3 butanoic acid. 4 membered carbon atom ring, therefore 4 at carbon atom number 4 2 phenyl group, therefore 4,4 diphenyl 3 butanoic acid. These are the applications of Wittig reaction. You mainly remember that in case of Wittig reaction, phosphorane or Wittig reagent or phosphorus elite is used in the Wittig reaction, and betaine intermediate formation in the Wittig reaction. Remember two things, phosphorus elite and betaine intermediate. Thank you for listening.